Parking. If you touch my motor again, I will kick your ass. Do it. Do it. You want to kill me? I'm going to say anything.
Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Somebody sent me a link to a YouTube video about an American pretty much behaving badly in the Philippines. Now this guy actually published this on his own YouTube video, and he's trying to say that the TMO, they're basically the Department of Parking, Traffic Enforcement and all of that, is corrupt and cruel and being mean to him. Now Dipolog, I've been to Dipolog quite a few times. It's a nice little town. It's right on the ocean down in Mindanao, and it also has a beautiful boulevard. It's the nicest, cleanest boulevard I've ever seen. There's also not a lot of foreigners down in Dipolog, probably because, I don't know, that guy got kidnapped back from P-Town, which isn't too far away, the Italian priest, and he was held hostage for quite a while before he was released. So there's not all that many foreigners down there. So I'm not going to talk a whole lot about this. I'm basically going to let his video speak for itself. But when you come to the Philippines, there's a couple things you have to keep in mind. The first thing is, obviously don't drink and drive. And the second thing is never put your hands on a Filipino. Now over the course of this video, as it goes along, you're going to see that this individual actually does that. And for some reason, he decided to publish it on his own YouTube channel, and all that footage could actually be used against him. During the course of the video, he's going to say, you can't impound my vehicle because I was illegally parked. But basically, the officers were asking him for his driver's license. And when you don't have your driver's license on you in the Philippines, they can impound your motorcycle, like they did to me. If you don't show a driver's license, they have every right to take your bike. But enough talk, let's get to the video and I'll let you make the conclusions yourself.
Straight. You're issuing me a citation for parking in a no parking violation, correct? Right?
This is an intersection, sir.
Right? Okay. So you can issue a violation for no parking.
You have no plate number?
For no parking. For no parking.
Yeah.
That's it. No
sa to
parking.
pa sir. Kana sila gissuean po nimo na sila citation din na.
Oh, sige.
Kana sila intersection.
Intersection ang imong violation.
Intersection imong violation.
Ano sa intersection?
Intersection.
So you can issue. You can issue.
Sige pagbitso.
You can issue a parking violation, but only a parking violation.
Impound na to ni. Why
No, it's not impound. It's not impoundment for
Asa ka pwede maka-impound?
improper parking. Is not impoundment.
Yung kan ma'am, yung driver's license.
Nayon ko nimo pag-issue. Pag-issue.
Your only citation.
Inyo ra man di man mo kuha order.
He's been saying, I only asked your details about your license.
Your only citation is for parking.
Okay, ipakita.
Listen.
Na mo yung driver's
Listen to
license.
me. Your only.
Ipakita lang yung driver's license.
Just show your driver's
I'm not
license.
gonna show it. Your impoundment is no. You're only saying that I'm.
We need only your.
You're only saying that I'm parking wrong, correct? Yes or no? Yes or no? My only violation is illegal parking. No, I'm asking you. No,
Kasi
I'm asking
pangutana to baga lang pod.
I'm asking you. Okay. Is my only violation illegal parking, correct? Illegal parking.
Pangutana siya ba?
Kaya manggod ma'am, wala mo dire.
Illegal parking.
Nakita ko nag-issue ka.
You can only issue a citation for illegal parking.
Illegal parking.
Illegal parking only.
Kaniya manggod ma'am, wala mo dire.
So,
natin dito to.
You can
wala na manggod mo. So kuha na mo inyong
He said, he's been saying,
hulma kuha ara usa og dita kani ngalan niya kaysa may ka-driver ani.
he's been saying, when you park here, that's unattended. Then you came on, so that means I asked your details.
She's the owner of the motor.
Yeah.
She can roll the motor wherever she wants.
Yeah, she's the owner, but you are the one who drive.
How do you know? I didn't see it. You're asking an illegal parking. Illegal parking only.
Langan man tani.
The apartment is for illegal parking.
He said that he will impound your motor.
For what? For what?
Unsa ko na imo ang rason nga para
ipakita niyo kan.
He said because you don't show your driver's license.
Kaya wala man siya driver's license gyud siguro kaya wala man siya ipakita.
I don't have to. I'm not driving it. You came up to me for illegal
Dili ko no
parking.
kinahanglan kaya wa man siya mag-drive. Parking man na.
Isa tagiyan.
No, she can move this
Ako'y
motorcycle.
tagiana. Ako'y tagiana.
I'll move this motorcycle wherever I want.
Ako'y tagiana. Maka-issue lang ka kung ako na yung gidrivean sa atubangan nimo.
Ma'am, intersection gani mo kay kamo driver kuha mo na mo kita.
Dude, if you touch this fucking motor again, don't touch my motor. Don't touch my motor.
Pasag din na isyuhin ninyo siya.
Sa pag-issue na mo, kuhaan man na mo siya kanangalan siyang kuhaan, ma'am.
You're not driving it. You can move it wherever you want without
Pwede
driving
rin
it.
mo na siya. Pagtawag mo pulis. Eh, pagtawag mo. Ayaw mo pagkuhan.
You can move this motor wherever you want because you know what? The motor is for illegal parking. If you touch my motor again, I will kick your ass. Do it. Do it. You want to kill me? Touch my again. Don't touch my They said illegal parking, yes or no?
Isyuhan lang
He
mo papel.
said, just show your license.
Video this because
I am.
Okay, arabante ka na yung Amerikano akong giisuhan ko siya, di naman mo provide siyang driver's license.
I don't need a driver's license. You didn't say that. You said illegal parking.
Okay naman natin, ma'am.
Video. One
Mag-parking siya dito.
Keep my motor? What the fuck? You gonna keep my motor?
Walay mo siyang gipungan. Iyang ilo pa rin siya.
Pagtawag mo yung pulis. Ingon ka, kung tawag ni pulis.
Pagtawag mo, pulis. Pagtawag mo.
No, dude. Don't you fuck up to me. You push me. You fuck up to me. It's on video, dude. You
Liatang ka. Huwag makagiligsan. Huwag makagiligsan.
So anyway, I'll put the motor there.
One way, sir. One way na yun.
Dili, mangkutsa mo ato din ha. Dito ra sa Pikas.
Ano ba rin? Ano ba rin? Parking na kami. Buwasa mo ka?
Police. Police.
You deal with them. You deal with them, all right? You deal with them. Make sure you get that. They can't do it for illegal parking. Understand?
Alright, so that's basically it. Let me know your thoughts on this situation. Leave them down in the comments section. Like, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. And until next time, this is Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Puppies and rainbows, everybody. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.